Element means like field level integrity. So how you ensure the field level integrity, ensure the correctness and accuracy of database elements. This corrective actions can be taken in three ways. Okay, element checks to validate correctness over there. Element must be like numeric and within the particular range. Like for example, when you are creating the column, so you have to specify whether it's a numeric value, it's alphanumeric value. For example, if it's a salary, so it will be like a numeric value, float values over there. If it is like a name, so it will be like a like alphabets or alphanumeric over there. So it means that you sometimes you have to check at the column level as well the integrity of the element. Okay, no more than one employee can be a president. So this kind of check constraints you can apply. So in database, five important constraints are there. One is called primary check or primary constraint. Second is primary key constraint. Second is foreign key constraint. Third is not null. Fourth is unique, and the fifth one is the check one. Okay, so these are the different constraints you can apply on the column level. So it helps against mistakes by the authorized user. Even if the authorized user do some mistake, so instead of the salary he puts the name of some person, so it will notify, no, it's not correct one. Okay, so this is element level integrity, typically enforced by the trigger. So you can also so in database we call as a triggers over there, and just like in normal website API, they are called like message box or error message box appears over there. But in databases we refer to the triggers over there. So if there is any wrong entries into the tables, okay, so a triggers will generate and will tell you this is not allowed or this is missing. So how the triggers are generated, these are the procedures are automatically executed after some event. Sometimes if you insert some wrong value, sometimes you delete some wrong value, or some update some wrong value, so these triggers get generated and inform you that to not to do it. So by this way we ensure the element level integrity. Access control to limit who can update element as well. So sometime for more security reason, you can limit the access to the different column. As the last example I gave you, for example, your GPA. So who can control your GPA, the updation over there? If someone want to update, so you cannot update your GPA, or even I cannot update your GPA. So the registration office or the Kabul Tasjil office, they usually they have the rights to do it, or the dean approves it, and they can do it. So it means that the column of your GPA, who has access control, the dean and the registration office, they have the control on that one. So similarly at any business level application, if you want to make it, so you can assign the control to different levels, to the CEO levels, to the line managers, or to the operational manager. You can by self assign the controls over there depending on the requirements of organization. So maintaining a change log for database to undo erroneous changes over there. So maintaining a change log, so you can also maintain a change log. For example, if you change something, that change should also be logged. I mean, there should be backup for that one. Or sometime if there is any updation you do it, so or it is erroneous means there is some error in that one, you can undo it. A change log lists every change made to the database with the original and modified values. Okay, so a change log lists every change made. What does it mean? That a change, if there is any change log, every change made to the database with both original and modified value. So they shows you the change log. They show you what was the original value and what is the new value over there.